Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Chevy Tahoe headlight. First, open your vehicle's hood and locate the headlight assembly. You'll see two retaining bolts at the top. Carefully remove these. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the headlight assembly forward a few inches. This creates enough space to access the electrical connections behind it. Now, reach behind the headlight assembly. You'll find the main electrical connector, press its release tab, and pull it free. Next, locate the turn signal bulb socket. Give it a quarter turn counterclockwise, and it should easily detach. Double-check that no other wires or clips are still attached to the assembly before proceeding. With all connections free, you can now carefully slide the entire headlight assembly straight out from its mounting position. Take your time and be gentle to avoid scratching the surrounding paintwork or damaging any components. Once removed, set the assembly aside in a safe, clean spot to prevent any accidental damage. To reinstall, simply reverse the steps. Carefully slide the new headlight assembly into place, ensuring it aligns correctly with the mounting points. Reconnect the turn signal bulb socket and the main electrical connector until they click securely. Finally, insert and firmly tighten the two retaining bolts at the top to secure the assembly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.